Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel AI Wiz. If you're using Character.AI and wondering how to delete your chat history, you might have noticed there's no delete button. But don't worry, I will show you some workarounds to clear your chats or start fresh. So let's get into it. So first, launch your Character.AI app. Okay, let's be clear here. Character.AI does not have an official delete chat option. That means once a conversation is saved, you can't remove it from your history. But I've got a few tricks to help you manage your chats, so let's go. The easiest way to clear your chat history is to start a new conversation with the same AI. Here's how to do it. Open the chat that you want to reset. Now tap on the character name and scroll down through this page, and here you can find an option called Start New Chat. This will start a fresh conversation and you won't have to see the old one anymore. It's not a full delete, but at least it gives you a clean slate. Okay, if you don't want to see your old chats anymore, another option is to log out or use a different account. This won't delete chats, but it's a way to keep them out of sight. And there's a good news also that a delete chat feature is one of the most requested updates, so Character.AI might add it soon. Until then, these are the best ways to manage your chats. And yes, that's it. Right now, there's no official way to delete chats, but you can still start fresh with a new chat or log out for a cleaner history. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other Character.AI tips you need. See you in the next one.